Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make bhuna chicken. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 1 kg chicken, 8 medium onions finely chopped, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 3 tomatoes chopped fine, 3 tablespoons yogurt, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves. In whole garam masalas I have taken 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 4 green cardamoms, 2 big cardamoms, 7 peppercorns, 1 bowl of coriander leaves finely chopped, salt to taste and oil. First we will put oil in a pan. Now put whole garam masala and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add onions and saute until golden brown. Now we'll add ginger garlic paste and saute until raw smell of garlic goes. Now we'll add tomatoes and cook until they are soft. Now we'll add chicken and saute for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now we'll add green chilies, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt and mix well. Now we'll add yogurt and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we'll add dried fenugreek leaves and mix well and cook for another 5 minutes. Now we'll put coriander leaves. Mouth-watering delicious bhuna chicken is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many interesting recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you very much for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.